I'm Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents, and this is 33 Burdekin Road in Nankin. This home sits on a large block and is ideal for those who want to escape to the country. And whether you use that space for hobby farming, have a couple of horses, or just enjoying the peace and tranquility, come and have a look at what this house has to offer. With its 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the master being en suite, this family home has a fantastic flow between the kitchen, entertainment spaces, and outside. This low-set brick home is built to last and sits on a block just under 10,000 square meters and situated under 10 minutes from Rocky. It is the ideal spot to enjoy the peace and tranquility of the country, but still all the convenience of city living. If this kind of property is something that interests you, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts from McGrath Estate Agents.